Dubai Marina offers a vibrant waterfront experience, perfect for a leisurely walking tour. Here's a suggested itinerary to help you explore this dynamic area. 1. Start at Dubai Marina Walk. Begin your journey along the 7-kilometer-long Dubai Marina Walk, a scenic promenade lined with palm trees, fountains, and over 60 restaurants and shops. The walkway provides stunning views of the marina's waterways and the impressive skyline. 2. Explore Dubai Marina Mall. A short walk from the promenade, Dubai Marina Mall offers a variety of retail stores, dining options and entertainment facilities. It's an ideal spot to shop or enjoy a meal with a view of the marina. 3. Visit Pier 7. Adjacent to the mall, Pier 7 is a culinary destination featuring 7 different restaurants, each offering unique dining experiences and panoramic views of the marina. Whether you're in the mood for fine dining or a casual meal, Pier 7 has options to suit your palate. 4. Stroll along the walk at JBr. Continue your tour to the walk at JBr Beach Residences, JBr, a bustling boulevard known for its outdoor shopping, diverse dining venues and regular street performances. The area exudes a lively atmosphere, making it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. 5. Relax at Marina Beach. Just steps from the walk, Marina Beach offers a pristine shoreline where you can unwind, take a dip in the sea, or simply enjoy the sunset over the Arabian Gulf. The beach is equipped with facilities and is family-friendly. 6. Experience a dhow cruise. To cap off your day, consider embarking on a traditional dhow cruise. These boat tours provide a unique perspective of the marina, especially enchanting during the evening when the city lights reflect off the water. Many cruises offer dinner and live entertainment, enhancing the experience. Tips for your walking tour. Timing: the cooler hours of the day, such as early morning or late afternoon, are ideal for walking tours to avoid the midday heat. Attire: wear comfortable footwear and light clothing. While Dubai is cosmopolitan, it's respectful to dress modestly in public areas. Hydration: carry a bottle of water to stay hydrated, especially during warmer months. Transportation: Dubai Marina is accessible via the Dubai Metro, with the Damac properties and Jumeirah Lakes Tower stations being the closest. Taxis and ride-hailing services are also readily available. Embarking on this walking tour will provide you with a comprehensive experience of Dubai Marina's attractions, blending modern architecture, leisure and cultural experiences.